Small content creators gather here. Content creators already gather here. Come to the front because this video is for you. This video I'm filming now, I am not filming it with a ring light. I am not filming it with a LED light. I am not filming it with any external lightning. And the video is as bright as this. You can see how the blurred background is looking. I'll be explaining to you in this particular video how to film your content, when to film your content, and what to use to film your content. That is what we'll be explaining in this particular video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, be careful, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification, give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, share this particular video so that it will reach to a lot of content creators. And let's get right into it. Welcome back. So a lot of people or a lot of content creators that want to start creating content always blame their procrastination on not having a ring light, or not having a LED light, or not having a tripod. This particular video I'm filming now, I'm going to put in the video, I'm going to put it here where I dropped my phone to film this particular content. Even if I am not using a mic, my voice is my ogene. Your voice should sell you out. This particular video I am filming, I dropped my phone here. This phone is not standing on any tripod. It is standing on the window, as you can see in the video. This particular video you are watching now, the only light that I have here with me now is this sunlight. And the sun is not even at its best because the sun has gone down. It has gone down. The right time for you to make use of sunlight to film your content, maybe you know the peak time, around 9 a.m., 10 a.m. Bath, go and take your bath. Jikere. You come out, you stand by the window. If you want to stand, stand. If you want to sit, you sit. If you want to crawl, you crawl. If you want to lie down, you lie down. But make sure that you are delivering value and you are making use of sun to start your content creation journey. A lot of people have gotten to 100,000 subscribers. They no get digital camera. They no get tripod. They no get mic. They are managing what they have. Let them get to where they need to be. Then they can now start using money to get what they want. You need to get to where you need to be before you start buying what you want. But if you can afford it, please buy. But in a situation whereby you are trying to manage your time, you are trying to manage your finances because you are not earning yet from content creation. Because I don't understand the reason whereby you are not earning enough. You have rushed to go and pay for CapCut Pro. Anyway, it depends on what you want to achieve. Because even me right now, I'm still using the free version. Because some of these features that you want, check other apps, check other editing apps. They have the features you need. Don't rush and go and pay for something that you know you haven't started earning. You will rush and go and buy 50 inches LED lights, 50 inches ring lights. Value, you know they deliver. Why?
If you want to talk to me direct. Don't go through the corners.
Make use of sunlight in creating your content. Inside this place is like my all and all. I can give different angles from this room. This room you are seeing now, I can give you guys different angles from this particular room. I am making use of sunlight to deliver my content. The place for which, if you want your room to be so bright and you know you can afford it, if you paint, like content creators, if you paint your room white or you paint your wall white, that is the only filter that you need to create any content for which you want. Are you getting me? Android phone now has blurred background. If you don't know how to do blurred background or your phone doesn't have it, CapCut to have it, okay? I'll be putting maybe a video on how you can blur out your background. Even fake background, they have it now. You might be in your room creating content. Maybe you are tired of arranging your room and you want to have a very aesthetic background. I've already filmed the content. I'll be putting it on the card for you guys to watch. You want to have a very aesthetic background. CapCut is doing it right now. There are different editing apps you can use in order to achieve your content. In that way, you become a content creator and start earning money. What matters is the value that you are pushing out there. What matters is the educative content that you are pushing out there. Don't wait till you can afford the most expensive gadget. I am shouting it now. This content I am filming it with my phone. I still make use of my phone just because I can afford a digital camera. That is why I bought it, because if you cannot afford it, will you force yourself? You cannot, you can take the horse to the river, but you cannot force the horse to drink water. If you don't have the money, you cannot afford it, you will not kill yourself. You have to make do with what you have. If life throws lemons at you, you make lemonade out of it. The value you deliver will bring more viewers to your channel and more subscribers to your channel. So that is how you can become a content creator without anything. That is, hey, I've seen title, how to become a content creator without any equipment. Okay? Just keep your phone where you need to. Sometimes I think I have also posted a video on how you can become a content creator without a tripod and the rest of them. I don't know. Maybe the video will go up before this particular one, but whichever one, just watch this particular content and digest it properly. Okay, you can do different angles. You just have to be creative with it. Watch other people's content so that you will see what they're talking about in their video and the strategy, the angles that they're giving in their video, and implement it if you can. Abeg, no go spoil your phone. No, you can start being a content creator. You can start earning thousands of dollars, $1,000 every month with just your phone. A lot of people are doing remote jobs right now. Me, I define. If you know anyone, please drop in the comment section for me. So we need to improve in all angles. We need to improve in our crafts, in our content creation craft, in order to get to where we need to be. So this is just what I want to tell you. Film your content without a tripod. Just keep your phone by the window and stand on the sun and create your content. Even if heat is doing you, clean the heat and continue your content. Inugo. Upcoming content creators right now are also having this mindset that if they don't have a mic, if they don't have this, if they don't have that, that they cannot create content. That's again that people will not watch their content. I want you to go back like 3 years back. Do you know, you guys should know Dimaume. Dimaume is one content creator that started back then, but YouTube is still recommending her videos just because of the quality, just because of maybe the SEO that she has used in that particular video. Even some of the videos that she has filmed back then, the quality, my own quality that is 2024, it never reached some of her videos quality of years back. So it doesn't matter. What matters, a lot of content creators film with their natural lighting. The big content creators that you know today, they film with their natural lighting because setting up all this ring light and this LED lights that you want to go and buy now is tiring. Is tiring. There are days whereby if I want to batch content pile right now, I might film like 4 videos. I will not use ring light. I will not use LED light. What matters is that the video is bright. Just increase the brightness of that particular phone. You can go to your CapCut. They have CapCut for editing. I guess you guys already know different editing apps that you can make use of to edit your content. If you don't know, I will still film the video to show you guys. So anything you're doing, always ask questions. Ask people that are already in the business, how do I do this? How do you film your content? But some of you, you have raised your shoulders like this. You cannot humble yourself to ask questions. I know some people will say, I have asked this, I have asked this person, I have asked that person, they did not tell me. But what matters is that you asked, Abby. All these things, you will use it as your climbing stone to get to where you need to be. There are a lot of people that I sent a message, I DM when I was starting my content, telling them, oh, I want to meet you, so you teach me how to edit and the rest of them. They never replied me, okay? Or even if they did, I think they said they didn't have time, or some of them didn't even reply me. I am where I am right now. I have passed some of them. Yes, a lot of people, they don't get to reply your message. Don't blame them, okay? Different people with different personality. You might start that particular journey and you will pass them. So what matters is focusing on your race. Make do with what you have. Stop waiting until you have the most expensive things before you can create your content. If you cannot afford an audio, make sure that you are loud enough. There is a difference between shouting and being loud. Right now, I am making use of a mic, but even if when I detach this mic, I still make sure that my voice is heard. Your voice should be heard in your videos. You cannot be doing Nara Smith. It's me.
I don't want trouble.
It's me. You go do it's me for your husband. You go do for bedroom this. You go do inside bedroom and still do it for your audience. Not be like that now. Not be waiting with one do here. That is not what we are here for. What you bring business. This YouTube is your business. This YouTube is your business, so you should put effort to it. You should put your creativity into it. I am still trying to perfect my craft even now that I'm here. make do with what you have. You don't need to go and pay for expensive apps right now just for you to make use of the pro version. If you don't even know what you need, you are just starting your content creation, you want to run and go and pay for pro. I am still using the free version. There are different apps that still offer you the free version, and you will still make use of all those things to put out your content out there. The weather is going dark, like no sun right now. But what matters is the editing. There are some people, if you see the background for which they have filmed their content, but because of the editing that they have done, you'll be asking, oh my God, did you use a camera, a digital camera to film this content? It looks so nice, but no, they filmed it with their phone and they edited it on their phone. Some people, I know what it took me to learn how to learn editing on laptop, all thanks to Aisha. God bless you, Aisha. It was as if, as in, they got a laptop for me. To learn editing on a laptop is a hard something, because I don't want to be pronouncing myself everywhere I go. I still edit on my phone. I still edit on my laptop, but editing on the phone at a go, because you might be where you are, you be editing video. Person not go even know say that video you edit. But if you carry laptop and come out, hey, you're going to chook eye inside your screen like this. So make do with what you have to create your content. Upcoming content creators. Me, I'm still upcoming because I haven't gotten to where I am. Because if somebody is also giving advice, I will listen to know if it's something I can apply in my own. Ask question how things is done. How did you do this? How did you do that? If they no answer you, make your research and make do with what you can and what you have and with your own thinking. But some people, they always want you to spell out everything for them. But you, I beg, spell out everything for me. Oh, give us the nooks and the cranny and everything, how you achieve this on your content. Or more, if I see videos that are well thought out and well edited, oh my God, if I'm watching drone video, hey, Tayo Aina video, Chineke na Vivi Cooks. If you're watching their video, oh my, there are a lot of content creators that are putting in a lot in their editing. Even me, I am putting in a lot. I am not there yet, but I am learning. I want to learn. Watch their content. I need to know. So this video is for upcoming content creators that want to become content creators or want to start creating content but don't know what to do or how to start it. Okay, make use of sunlight in creating your content. The best time to make use of sunlight is, you can make use of it anytime so far it's not raining, but the peak time when the sun is at our windows is around 9 a.m 10 a.m scorching sun. Equal na your window, you stay there. Make use of it at any time. We have come to the end of this particular video. Please like, subscribe, give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, share this particular video, and thank you guys so much for your massive love and support. I don't take it for granted, and I will see you guys in my next one. And I also wanted to make use of this mic to know if is clear enough. The noise reduction is very clear. Let me know in the comment section, and when you try out this, give me feedback in the comment section, and I'll see you guys. Bye.